Hello guys. So in this video we are going to look at the Leetcode question path sum. So in this question you can read about the question description by pausing the video. I'll just go over like the idea of this question. So it only suggests that it will give us a like sum of this, like suppose in this case 22, and we have to find a path that goes till the leaf node. We can't stop at some point and say that we have made the sum. We have to go till the root node. If path like that exists, then only we can return true. So in this case you can see that 5 4 11 2 make 22. That's why it will return true. So for solving this question I will be slightly modifying the pre-order traversal, and you'll see how simple would that become. So alright, let's get over with it. What I'll do is I'll write another function in it so that it is easier for me to call that function. So has path sum, and for now I'll just keep it like this just to be simple, and I'll do a pass statement. Now here I will call this function return as path sum. So the first argument I will be sending is root, then I have sum. The third argument I will be sending is the actual path sum, since I have to keep track of like the previous node values. I have to add those values and keep track of like how whatever the nodes I have traversed, what the value of those nodes account for. For that reason I will be taking a third variable called path sum. So when this path sum becomes equal to sum, we get we know that we have reached the sum. Also it should be the leaf node at that point. So this is the path sum, and we will start with path sum 0. So this will be the third parameter here. And many of you might know sum is inbuilt function in Python, but you can use these functions as a variables also. It won't throw an error. So path sum. Now we will first check if like if the node exists or not. That means if not node, we will return false. Why? Because this means that we have reached the leaf node and we are going for again like beyond the leaf node, but we still haven't found our sum. Like the path sum doesn't meet sum, so we can safely return false here. This would be like a base condition. Now here what I'll do, I'll calculate path sum. Since this is as I mentioned previously, I'm taking it as a pre-order traversal. This is the time we will be doing operation, like the pre-order traversal. We will be doing operation first, then do the traverse the left subtree and then the right subtree. It will be slightly modified. I'll show you. So this path sum plus equal to node dot val. So we have added the node's value to path sum, and now we will check if the sum given matches our path sum. And as I mentioned, it should be the root node. The current node should be the root node. How can we check if it is a root node? Leaf node, by making sure that its left and right nodes are none. So it is very simple to check that, and not node dot left and not node dot right. So this confirms that this is a leaf node. And now if we meet this condition, we will return true, as we have found the path from root to leaf node, which has the same sum as the given as argument. Now we will do return, and we will be calling this function like this, node dot left. So it is just a modification of pre-order traversal. If you see my pre-order traversal videos, you will understand. Or node dot right sum comma path sum. That's about it. True, true, and accepted. Thank you guys.